Hey, I can sit down on my beanbag. I hope you can see me. What I'm doing now is I'm going to crimp my hair. It's been a fair while since I've crimped my hair, but this is how I've generally done it in the past. So do bear with me. Right, start off with a decent crimp. What you've got to do is you've got to brush your hair and get rid of all the knots that you need to get rid of. As I said, it's been a fair while since I've crimped my hair. This is how I've always done it, so like that. The best thing to do is to start with parting, where you want your parting for the crimp. It doesn't have to be perfect, because the crimp will sort itself out. Right. Right, once you've parted your hair, this is the first. Take some ordinary, cheaper the better, hairspray. The reason you go cheap is the expensive hairspray has lots of certain chemicals and whatnot, and they don't stick as well. But basically, cheaper the better is just because it's sticky when you start the crimp. So give it a liberal coating. Brush that through. Next, what you need are some scrunchies. And what you're going to do scrunchies, what you're going to do is going to part your hair. So you start with maybe 2 on one side, 2 on the other. Just grab a handful. Just grab a handful. Put it to one side. Grab a handful. One side. Grab a handful and part it. The reason to do this is just so you know you do it in sections. I'm doing mine in 3 sections. So what I'll do is I'll start with this side. And basically I grab about 3 finger widths of hair all the way down. Put back the bit that I don't want. There we go. That's out of the way. Basically 3 fingers down. Now, I've had these a few years. I say a few years, since I was 20. These are now 15 years old and they're still good. What you've got to do is let them get up to temperature. They're a Babyliss electronic type 7410, made in Belgium. It's a 35 watt basically, but I've had these for years and they're older than that. I know they're older than that because I got them from a second-hand shop years ago. If they work, they work. I hear that people GHD has clapped out again, etc, etc, etc. Well, I've had these for 15 years, which says something. Right, just let them get done. Right, what you want to do is get them so they sizzle when you put water on them. Basically, I usually start at the root of the lowest part of the hair. And I give it a little while. I usually do about 10 seconds. And I work my way up over the head. Probably see slip that like that. Okay, that's the first part. What you do, wait for the second part. So the same again. Let's see, that's close as I'm going to get. Take a little scrunchie, separate that. Right, now to get the bits that you've missed. Give it a brush, bring it up, there. I'd like to go over up the top bit. Right, now you've done that, you can see where we're going. There's another bit. That should have got it all. Now, brush it back. Not too heavy, not too much. Then give it plenty of hairspray. And what I usually do, upside down, and do it the other way, and just lots and lots of hairspray. Before it sets, get it into shape. So work that hairspray through. Don't want it too straight, remember. Find your parting. Now you've got your parting, plenty of hairspray. Lots of hairspray. And let it set before you do anything else. That should be close enough for the moment. Thank you for watching.